Sir, Bhagyashri. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಒಂದು 3-4 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ರೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೈಕು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಲೋ.
Hi, hi.
Your name?
Madhuri.
Madhuri, ask your question.
Huge fan of Ram Pothineni, sir. Like, life keeps telling that when it is keeping you waiting, it's always for the best. So, there is a movie shooting of yours which happened in our town, and I unfortunately couldn't meet you there. And then there was a shopping mall opening for which you came again. Again, I missed the chance. Again, I couldn't meet you. But now, it's not just meeting you, it's talking to you. Like, this is the moment I was waiting for. This is the moment life was keeping me waiting for. Thank you so much for all the energy you have for the family.
Madhuri.
Yes.
Ram sir, she's so emotional. I can see her hands are shivering. May I ask the permission to send her on stage,
Yes,
please?
yes, please come, please come. Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you. So the lesson is you wait, and life gives you the best. So maybe we were meant to meet in Bangalore like this. So yeah, very glad to meet you.
Bangalore, maybe just to meet you.
Thank you so much, Madhuri. All the best. Oh, no, okay.
Thank you,
All the best,
Madhuri.
all the best. Thank you.
Come. Madhuri wants to settle down there with Ram sir. Okay, I see a girl just jumped from the barricade. Oh my God, are you okay? Sir, ಎಗರ್ಕೊಂಡೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಗೇಡ್ ಇಂದ. Smart girl. Your name? Why are you crying?
Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you.
Acha, this is your moment. Don't cry. Say something, no? Papa. Oh.
Thank you, mother. Thank you. Water.
Thank you. We have this smart boy here.
Hi sir, I'm very big fan of Upi sir.
Hi.
I'm huge fan of you sir. I see every film of you.
Thank you.
Sir, your vintage films are just epic sir. Sir, your old films are just so crazy sir. Sir, crazy sir, I'm really huge fan. I'm just shivering sir, I can't speak.
Okay.
I see you sir, great.
Yeah.
Sir, Ram sir, huge fan sir. Thank you sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Preetham sir. Sir, in film you told that if not fan, you're known sir. So my name is Preetham sir. So you know that know my name sir.
Thank you, Preetham.
Sir, can I have a hug sir from
Yeah,
you,
come.
sir?
Preetham is getting a hug from Ram sir, Uppi sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Preetham. I think we had a small girl who was requesting. Okay. Also, we have, what's your name?
Joshna.
Jyotsna.
Anandapur.
Jyotsna has a special gift for you, sir.
Hi. Wow. Oh.
Okay, Jyotsna has a very special gift for Ram Pothineni, sir. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ? ಒಬ್ರೇ ಒಬ್ರು
ఆఫీస్ రూమ్ కానీ ఇంట్లో కానీ పెట్టండి
ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಬ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಒಬ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಓಕೆ ಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸ್ನಾ, ಓಕೆ come. Thank you Jyotsna, and we have another special fan here.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಾಸ್. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರ್, ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇಡೀ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನಾವು ಬಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾನು ಬಾಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಟೋ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, UI. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಬಾಸ್. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಈ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಿಲಮ್ಮು, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಐಡಲ್ಗಳ್ನ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ತೊಗೊತೀರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಐಡಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನಿಂದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ತಗೊಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಸೆ.
Ganesh, thank you. Super. I think Ram sir, please join. Ram sir. Bhagyashree garu, please. Okay, Uppi sir phone indane ಒಂದು selfie with the fans of Bengaluru. Thank you Ganesh, thank you so much, thank you. And one last fan, she's a little kid who wants to have a photograph with the team. Please come. She wants to have a picture with all of you. Sir. Thank you. ಈಗ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ media people, please.